Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. We'd been expecting the parties to file their trial briefs and their proposed jury instructions by April 14th, 2025. If you go to Judge Stephen J. Hippler's October 9th, 2024 pretrial and trial order, you will see that the proposed jury instructions and the trial briefs were due that date. We know they were filed by looking at page 88 of the case summary page. You can review the case summary page and the items that appear on the docket by going to your search engine of choice, plug in Idaho cases of interest. You will see there will be links to the case summary page for Idaho versus Koberger there. You will also see a link to the public documents that have been released to the public. Returning to the case summary page, page number 88. Number 1 at the very top of the page, motion to redact or seal newly filed records, motion to seal defendant's proposed jury instructions. The second entry on that page has a lock and key device. We know that when we see a lock and key device like this, that it is a sealed document or a document that is being withheld from the public, awaiting a ruling from Judge Stephen J. Hippler. That is what has consistently happened in the case. If you look back to the prior 87 pages of the case summary page, you will see that the clerk notates the new items either by having a lock and key device, which indicates a sealed document or a proposed sealed document, versus a PDF icon. That indicates a public document. The first item that I just talked about has a PDF icon next to it. The second has a lock and key icon. Subject document, it states here, motion to redact or seal newly filed record, notice of filing defendant's proposed jury instructions. And that is consistent with the court's order, which stated that the jury instructions would be filed under seal. The next item is motion to redact or seal newly filed records, motion to seal defendant's trial brief, and that is a PDF document. The next item is subject document, motion to redact or seal newly filed record, defendant's trial brief. Now, if you look at the October 9th, 2024 order, it says that the jury instructions were to be filed under seal, or the proposed ones from the parties. However, the trial brief that's also located within the same paragraph where the proposed jury instructions are indicated does not say that the trial briefs were supposed to be filed under seal. But here we see a motion to file the defendant's trial brief under seal. The next item of interest, subject document, motion to redact or seal newly filed record, and this is the defendant's trial brief. It is dated April 14th, 2025. It has the lock and key device next to it in terms of an icon. There's some other entries that are indicated, and it is April 14th, 2025. Proposed jury instructions, and it says here, requested jury instructions. This does not say that this is the state's. However, because we just went through a series of documents belonging to the defense, it appears that this is the state's filing. This is a PDF icon. That is a public document. However, the next item listed, subject document, motion to redact or seal newly filed record, sealed requested jury instructions, and then we see motion to redact or seal newly filed records, motion to seal state's trial brief, and requested jury instructions. So it appears here that both sides have done exactly the same thing. They filed their jury instructions at the same time proposed under seal, and they both filed requests for their trial briefs to be filed under seal as well. Once the public documents hit the record, we will update you. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.